welcome to RGCU Community Podcast. I'm Joey, so today here with me I have...
Joey, Consumer Loan Operations Manager.
Hi, welcome Joey.
Thank you for having me. This is a beautiful place. Love the artwork.
Ice Wolf?
Yes, love it. Go Ice Wolves.
Yeah. What do you think about the new goat head?
Oh, that's awesome. I saw that on social media. I thought it was they were going through I think 3 different names. I thought Go Heads was awesome, man.
But it's not. There's nothing like goat in it.
Right. 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 That's what I was thinking too. But I think the Goat Heads, they're all over. The Goat Heads are like the little sticker thingies. Yeah. I used to get them all the time when I was a kid.
So what are they saying? I think they're gonna be a pain. Is that what they're saying?
I think so. I think they're gonna be a real pain for the other teams. You know?
Yeah. Well, when I saw the logo, I was like, it looks so familiar.
Right.
But being in Mexican, it reminded me of soccer.
Oh, okay.
Chivas.
Oh, right.
So they have like, I've seen that logo before.
Right.
But just the just the goat.
Right.
The white goat.
Right.
I
wonder what the mascot's going to be. Is it just going to be like a big sticker guy running around poking people?
I think it's going to have to be a goat because they have a wolf.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
So I'm thinking they're going to, because we have a mascot too.
Yes.
Have you seen our Howie?
Howie.
We have a Howie.
No, I haven't seen him yet. No.
We have I think we're the only credit union here in Mexico that has a mascot.
Oh, that's so cool. I gotta check him out.
Yeah, we have him on social media too. It's in LinkedIn. So.
Oh, nice.
Follow him on
Howie.
LinkedIn.
There we
Howie.
go. Yeah.
So, talk about your role. What do you do for us?
Yeah, so my role predominantly is overseeing the loan operations team. So there's about 4 stages that involves, the process of a loan. So the first stage is origination, which you talk to the loan officer, they pull your credit, they offer suggestions, and then it goes to the underwriter. After that, it goes to the funding team, and then that's where I come in afterwards, after it's funded. So whenever you need a payment reversed, whenever you need something done after the fact, that's where me and my team come in.
Do you audit the account? Lending, the loans?
For the past few months we are, but that'll be going back to the funding team. Yeah, they'll be doing the quality assurance there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Pretty cool. What got you started?
So what got me started with lending in general?
Rio Grande and lending.
Yeah. So what got me into Rio Grande, well, before this, I was a truck driver.
What?
Yeah.
Like the semis?
Well, it was, there were 2 axles. They were not big semis. They were like half a semi.
Okay.
So it required, certifications. So I was doing that. I was driving around Utah, Colorado, northern New Mexico, just seeing, the long road stretch. Have you seen Forrest Gump?
Yes.
Yes. So
wait, took me a minute, but yes.
So in Forrest Gump, when he stops running, and then there's that long, beautiful, scenic road behind him. I used to drive that every other week. So it was very beautiful. I did that when I was 23, and when you're young, you're trying to get your life together, and so when I was about 23, I had terrible credit. Yeah, I had very terrible credit. I think it was a 400 score.
Considering that you were a truck driver, you would think you would have a decent credit, right?
Right. And it was mainly because of medical bills. I had like 5 knee surgeries. So, that was well over $15,000 in debt. So, from 23 to now, I had worked on my credit. And when I was looking for a new career change, I saw, opportunity at Rio Grande. It was a part-time job. I wanted to go back to school. Mm-hmm. And so I took the part-time teller job, with the mind of, I want to go into lending. I think this is something that fascinates me. So I did that. Started here as a part-time teller. And then, I worked my way up. Been here for 7 years. 7 years?
Yeah. Now you're a manager.
Yes. It's been an awesome journey. It definitely did. Yeah.
Then you went back to school.
Yeah, I went back to school for a bit. And then, the journey here has been a blessing for sure. I think when I'm old and retired and have 30 cats surrounding me and 20 dogs, I don't know why I picture myself having a zoo when I'm old, but
why not? I mean,
you're right.
Okay, you're working lending. Okay, sure, man.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, when I'm older, I think I'll look back at this time at Rio Grande as some of the best moments in my life. And I think that's because I've made such positive impacts on our members' lives financially. And it's yeah, it's been truly a blessing.
That's awesome. Why do you like serving our members?
I think I like serving our members because this is where I'm from. I consider myself Nuevo Mexicano, so New Mexican to the T. And I see our members, as my brothers, my sisters, my uncles, my aunties, my grandma and grandpa. And when I think about that way, it gives me a little bit more patience. And it's just like a mental thing for me too. Like, I'm willing to go a little bit more for them. And, they are my cousins, my brothers, my sisters that do bank here. So I take it very personally when they come and ask for help or they don't understand something. I'll take the time out of my day to explain whatever it is they want. Credit's about 125 years old. It's fairly new. So was that like 2 people ago? Yeah, about 2 people ago. So it's a new concept, and it's unfortunately it's not something that's taught in school. It's something you have to figure out. Like I was telling you when I was younger, trying to figure out my credit, going from 400. Right now I'm above 700 on my credit score. So I like to give people that message, like, don't lose hope. You can always rebuild your credit score. It takes time.
It does. And consistency.
Definitely. Yeah.
And a lot of hard work.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of hard work. And if I can be that hope that members are looking for, that's what it's all about for me, is helping others. It sounds like you put yourself in a position because you were once there. Yes. Yeah.
And, I feel like you said, a lot of people don't know a lot of financial, and it's not. Now they're targeting high schoolers and everything. Right. But you have to remember, like, our parents, our grandparents, right, they were not educated, so they don't tell you a lot of stuff. You know? Like right now, my daughter, one of my daughters, she's just 18, and she knows about CDs.
Oh, okay.
She comes and opens CDs, and she has a little car. Still hasn't financed it to herself yet. Right. But she's still making payments on them, things like that. So she opened her first secured card with us.
Awesome. That's good.
Yeah. So because I came here. Before this, I didn't know what I was doing. Right. I was paying, I want to say, like 70% on my car. Okay. And the interest rate. Yeah. Right. And when I started working here and got it to a 3.8. Right. So it's a huge difference. Oh, yeah. And they don't tell you how to build credit. They don't tell you where to start. Right. How to start. Yep. So that's really awesome that you take that to the heart. I do. It's I take it personally too. It's if I can just teach someone a little bit about it, sometimes I find it a little bit, like right now at my age, if I didn't know about credit, it'd be a little bit embarrassing to ask someone about it. But there's many tools and resources you can use online that I personally use. And then, asking a loan officer, hey, like, I don't know what this is. Can you explain this a little bit more? How can I boost my credit score by just having a credit card? Yeah. It's I think the more time goes on, the more people will be acquainted to that. Like, if I have kids, they're definitely going to know about finances. And that's so awesome. Yeah. And like, one of the good things I noticed with us, right, is that we have financial coaching. Yes. Yep. So, and it's free. Right. And you don't have to be a member. Right. Another thing is we do have a resource on one of our page. I don't know if you've seen it. It's Best Financial Self. Right. Yes. So it gives you workbooks, it gives you videos, it gives you so many articles. Yep. That's good stuff. Because a lot, like you said, a lot of people don't want to ask. Right. They feel embarrassed. Right. They feel like, oh, I'm at this age, I should have my life together already. Right. But there's no time frame, because life happens. It does. And, like the older I get, the more I realize, like, sometimes we, it may seem like someone knows what they're doing, but we kind of don't know what we're doing out here. We're just going. We're going. We're life feed. I just call it. We're life feed. We're going with the flow. Yeah, exactly. And, like I was saying, that, the credit being a new concept, it's, like you're saying, there's tools out there. So, I think we offer a whole lot of educational tools here at Rio Grande. Speaking to a loan officer, I'm certified in the Financial Credit Union. I think it's the UFC, Financial Credit Union, Financial Coaching. Me too. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so Yeah. I took it, 2 years ago? Yeah. And it has. Nice. So
It was nerve-wracking taking that test.
Oh yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
not gonna lie.
Yeah. I think it's so cool. The title I have in my email, CC UFC. I see UFC and I'm like, I'm a fighter.
Yeah, for you.
Yeah, I'm a fight for you.
And it's so funny because I remember when I took that test, it was here at this building.
Right.
And obviously you have to have a proxy.
Right.
So they have to make sure you're doing it and you're not cheating, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So I don't know if you took it. Did you took it online?
No, we did it in the Rio Bravo branch. There was I think there was a lady. She was watching us, and then we took the tests. I was trying to finish first, but Luke, he finished first. I was like, oh my god, he's so fast.
But he's been here in the industry for so long.
Oh yeah, he was just ripping through that. Yeah.
I remember I took it with Eric, and then we were there taking it, and then we were like, you ready? I'm like, I'm ready. So we both hit submit at the same time.
Right.
And it was like the longest minute waiting for the test score.
Oh yeah.
We were like, what? Come on, just tell me already.
It's a
little intense.
Yeah. You did two of the tests?
I think it was one.
Was it one? They made us do two of them. The first one was, was fairly easy. Then the second one, they started asking some pretty tough questions. I'm not too familiar with mortgage, so when I was studying, I made sure to, pay a little bit more attention to that. And then, some of the questions caught me off guard, but, I'm very thankful I studied for that.
Yeah.
Because if I didn't, it would have been rough.
I remember ours was 100 questions.
Right.
100 questions. And it was a little bit everywhere.
Right.
Your credit, when they pull your report.
Right.
Like you said, mortgage, and every little bit of everything. And I was so like, come on, let me pass. So I did pass. I ended up passing, but I was still kind of like disappointed that I guess I didn't get like a 90 and above.
Right.
And I was like, okay,
right,
I'm fine.
Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, if you pass it, you're good.
Yeah. So, and I think after I took mine, a lot of people wanted to do that, and a lot of people started taking here.
Right.
Which is great.
Right.
So I hope it goes back up so that way members have more options, because I know right now we're kind of limited. Like you have it, I have it, or one other financial coach, Hina.
Right.
Sometimes she has to be going above and beyond. Like she will have to meet them at Cabazon, she'll have to meet them at Lomas.
Right.
So we're hoping that maybe next year we'll have at least one financial coach at a branch.
Right.
But of course.
Yeah. Comes with time.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're right on the nose with that. It's one of those things where when you see someone do it, it opens the gates for others to do it. They're like, oh, I see he's done this. I can probably do this. Yeah. So it's definitely a cool thing. I love that we offer that to our employees to better assist our members.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, so you've been here quite a while.
Yep.
Of course, being here for so long, you maybe have some memorable moments. Anything you want to share with us?
Oh yeah, definitely. So first of all, I think some of my best moments come from the team I've been around. Mm-hmm. They make it very easy. I have a very supportive team, from leadership to coworkers to the people I oversee. When times do get tough, I think we're all there to support each other, and we have fun. Like today, we have team builders on Thursdays.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, they get wild. And sometimes we run out of ideas, and we have to recycle through some. So it's
Disney trivia.
What's that?
A Disney trivia.
Oh yeah, I mean that's nice.
That's gonna be interesting.
That's a good one.
Yeah, because
we and then I created one of my favorite team builders I created. I call it the Office Games. It's almost like the X Games.
Okay.
So we have we'll divide the teams into, teams of maybe 3 or 4, depending on how much people we have that day. And then we'll do a typing test. So whatever teams, you pick your person. Oh, Joey can type the fastest. Jovi can type the fastest. So we'll put them against each other, see who types the fastest, words per minute. And then we'll do silly ones, like who can take staples out of papers the fastest. We'll do real grand trivia, like really deep cuts, like what's the codes in Scimitar to transfer money from one account to another.
I will be so dead on that.
Some people know it. And I'm like, yes, you've been here for a while. And then we'll do trivia, and then we have other games too. Like it's all fun. We have a really good time, and some of my best memories come straight from my team. And then some of my other memories that I hold dear to my heart is the interactions I have with some of the members and the positive impacts I've had on their lives. I've had so many stories. There's few that stick out. One of the most recent members I've had, one of the encounters, there were two members, Mr. and Mrs. Member. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. They were they were asking for a loan. I've done loans for them, throughout the years, and the husband was losing some of their protected income, which is around $500 a month.
Yeah.
She still had a protected income. The husband was looking for, a job. He was doing odd end jobs to make ends meet. They had a signature loan and an auto loan. Signature loan was like maybe $300 a month. Auto loan was around the same amount.
Yeah.
And so they came to me asking me if I can help them. We're in a credit app. We consolidated the signature loan with the auto loan, and then I think I ended up saving them maybe $300 to $400, which kind of covered what the husband was losing in pay.
Yeah.
And they were very grateful. I have members who they've actually came and brought me food.
They're so rewarding. They are like, and they're so grateful. I love our members.
Oh yeah, me too. I love them. And I've helped this one gentleman. He's from the same pueblo as me, and he brought me some of our traditional stuff. He brought me an arrowhead. He brought me some gifts. He brought me one of the native bow ties. I don't know if you've seen those they have like a gem in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, really cool stuff. Yeah. So yeah, they're I have a lot of great stories, and yeah, and to me those mean a lot. They mean a lot to me because the way I see them, they're my people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really care about them.
And that's so awesome.
Yeah.
Especially because right now with this economy,
right,
it's so hard to make ends meet.
Oh yeah.
And I remember somebody was having a rough patch trying to pay the rent. Mm-hmm. And they're like, hey, give up your grant. Right. Reach out to lending.
Right.
That's your first go-to.
Yep.
I was like, they'll try to help you out.
Oh yeah.
And they did.
Right.
They cut her up and she's all good to go. But it's stressful. Like right now with everything going so high.
Oh yeah. The rent's crazy. I think when I first moved out here after I graduated around like 2012, a rent was $600 a month, and now I'm paying like $15 for the same amount of square feet.
Wow.
So yeah, it's really hard out there.
Well, I think during COVID, a lot of people locked down on good buying houses.
Right.
But then after COVID, it just skyrocketed.
Oh yeah.
I remember I own my little mobile home, but I still paid a lot.
Right.
But if I didn't, I would be paying a lot of money for a house.
Oh yeah.
And unfortunately, I need a house because I have my two daughters with me, and then I also have my granddaughters with me.
Right.
So that's 4 kids.
Oh yeah.
So.
Oh yeah. It's it's a little bit when things the prices of homes going up. It can be kind of difficult to navigate. What you should be doing.
Yeah. It
can be a little bit difficult. When I was thinking back when I was younger, I'm like, I should have bought a house when I was in 3rd grade. What was I thinking?
You were in 3rd grade.
I shouldn't have been born the Game Boy. What is that?
Yeah. And it's funny because I had this talk with my 8-year-old, and I was like, hey, you need to do A, B, and C.
Yeah.
Because right now she's young, she's 18, so she don't really know. So I'm telling her, you want to get your job with who offers 401k, who offers you benefits, how to get a job within the city, something that's gonna stabilize her.
Right.
Because her goal is to go to the FBI. So we're telling her, well, if you're going like a sheriff or something like that, then you'll get your 401k, you'll still retire, you'll still do your part-time, you'll have all this income, save for a house or a land.
Right.
And so by when you're 22, 23, you have something for you.
Yep. See, that's good. That's very good advice. I wish someone had told me that when I was a kid,
But in our time, nobody told us that.
Yeah, exactly. That's why they have us, Real Grands.
Yeah. I remember, myself growing up, if you don't have the money, don't buy it.
Right.
So, I remember when I first bought my first laptop, it was through Aaron, the furniture store. Yeah. Obviously, they charge you crazy fees.
Oh, yeah.
So, but I had money, this is the dumbest thing, right? Because we don't know.
Right.
So I went and got it. I had the money saved for the laptop.
Okay.
I already had the $1,500 saved.
Right.
But I put it on layaway.
Right.
Supposedly to make me credit.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I'm paying all kinds of interest on it.
Right.
Which I didn't know. You don't know.
Right.
You look at the price, you think this is what you're going to pay, and that's what I saved.
Right.
So instead of going somewhere else or seeking other routes, because that's what I was taught.
Right. Right. Yeah, and I think with some of those, Aaron's Furniture and I think the other one is
Rent
a Center. Yeah. I don't even know if they report to the credit bureaus.
They don't.
Yeah, unless you don't pay, then they're like, yeah, we're gonna report now. Yeah.
They don't. I remember because I was so hurt when I came here and I tried to apply, because I've been a member since 2017. I want to say 16, a long time member.
Right.
And I tried to apply and they thought, oh, well, you don't qualify, you don't have credit. I'm like, what do you mean? I've been getting things from marriage.
Right. Yeah, and that's the harsh truth. I mean, my dad, he got one of our Xboxes when we were kids to help build his credit. I remember these conversations, and him going to finance something, him not having credit, he was so upset.
Yeah.
He was so upset. Yeah. But you got to be careful for those things. Yeah.
So then I can't remember how I talked to her at that time. She's no longer with us anymore. But she's like, well, get that secured car. I'm like, okay.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm over here in my head thinking, oh, I should have good credit. I'm making credit.
Right. Right.
Not.
Yeah. One of the smarter things I have seen some of my family members do, I have one of my cousins, she was placed on a credit card as an authorized signer when she was like maybe 12. Her dad did it, which is very helpful. And when we got her secured credit card and she opened her account here, she had a good credit score.
I did that with my daughter.
Yeah, see, that's pretty smart. That's pretty smart to do, so that when you actually get a secured credit card, some institutions might not consider that a true trade line, like authorized signer. They might not say, hey, we don't accept that as a true score. No. But it's still building up the credit score. And when you become of age, you become 18, and then you do a secured credit card, that score is going to help you out in the long run.
Yeah, I had her since she was 16.
Okay.
On my secured car.
Nice.
Well, on 2, but she don't know about the other one, so we're not going to talk about that one.
Yeah, it'll be a nice surprise.
Yeah, but she's on the other one.
Cool.
So nice. she would know because she was driving at the time.
Okay.
So when driving, you have to put gas. You have to.
Right.
So
oh yeah.
This is your in case you need a car.
Nice. So
they help her.
Good. That's awesome.
Do you have any advice for members on how to start with your credit or how before you apply?
Yeah, definitely. I recommend using online tools. Whatever it is, you can go from Credit Karma. You can get your annual free credit report online. And then our tools. We have a lot of tools on our website. You can use. You're always more than welcome to call a loan officer. You don't even have to apply for a loan. Call a loan officer. We'll give you some really good advice. Try to figure out what your credit score may be. It might fluctuate a few points, maybe 20 to 30 points, and that's okay. And whatever it is you're wanting to apply for, you're always more than welcome to give us a call. We'll help you along the way.
That's awesome. Yeah. I started with Experian.
Okay.
I downloaded the app on Experian, and I kind of loved it because you can freeze and unfreeze.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so I love that. And because everybody's like, go to Credit Karma. But for some reason, it wasn't recognizing my social. Yeah, it was so weird.
Right.
So then I did Experian, and Experian has been done wonders for me.
Yes, Experian's a nice app. Yeah.
So I love it, especially because I go to see my credit.
Yeah.
And then I get credit increase, like, yeah!
Yes, it's an amazing feeling. It feels, you have like this sense of accomplishment.
Yeah. You've been responsible.
Yes, this is adulting. Yeah, I gotta. Yeah, it's nice.
10 out of 10 do not recommend adulting, but
yeah, stay a kid forever if you can, please. It's a lie here.
Well. It's funny because I talk about my daughter a lot, and then she's funny because she's like, "Mom, you need to buy a house with a casita on the back because I'm only 18 and I can adult, and it's expensive out there, and I want to buy me a nice car. Right. I'm gonna live with you forever." Yeah. I'm like, okay.
Right.
Cool.
That'd be awesome.
as long as you take care of the house.
Right,
Okay.
there you go. That's so cool.
But yeah, she already threatened that she's gonna stay at the house. So
Yeah.
awesome. So are you ready for the fun question?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
What's your dream car, or do you currently have your dream car?
You know what? I've when I first moved out here to Albuquerque, I had a lemon. I had it for about 2 to 3 months, and so you know, the head gasket blew out, and I couldn't afford the payments, so I was using my Chevrolets for a while, just walking around, taking the bus. So having a car, whatever it is, like I've had some really, you know, some beaters in my life. And I have a nice car now, and it is such a blessing to have a car and not have issues.
Yeah.
So I'll take, you know, whatever I can get. But as far as a dream car, I don't know if I have one. I like the, you know, those Mercedes cars, like they're big. They kind of, no, they're like, I don't know. You can put like a bunch of stuff in them. They're like really tall. I think people live in them sometimes.
Oh, I think you're talking about like the little campers, Mercedes.
Kind of, yeah. They're all black. They're very big. Some have sunroofs. I would love one of those.
Really?
Yeah, that'd be really cool. Mainly for my animals, and I can hold some of my drum stuff in there. I think.
Do you have animals?
Cool. Yeah.
How many animals do you have?
I have 3 cats and a dog.
Oh, so that's why you say you're gonna live with 100 cats and 100
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have a zoo.
Okay, makes sense what you wanted.
Yeah.
Do you go camping?
Yeah, fairly. I like going camping in Jemez, and then I go back home to Grants in that area, the Blue Water area, Ojo Redondo area. Go camping out there, quite a few.
Have you tried the Logan, New Mexico?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I love that lake.
Is it nice?
It's so nice.
Gotta check it out.
Yeah, it's so worth it. It's 3 hours in that way, but it's so worth it.
Is it going south or?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I gotta check it out.
Yes, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. What's your favorite sport or team?
Ooh, well, I'm a huge Cowboys fan. Hate it or love it.
How's that going?
I'm kind of hating it right now, so I don't want to talk about it. Just kidding.
Still bring out memories.
Yeah.
Trauma.
Yeah. I've been a Cowboys fan ever since I was a kid. It was my grandma's team, and my grandma had raised me when I was an infant. So it's just something I live with.
So football is your sport?
Yeah, I like football a lot. Football, I grew up playing it. I like basketball. I played basketball in high school. A Suns fan, Phoenix Suns. I love them. Other than that, I'm an avid watcher of the UFC, the Ultimate Fighting Championship.
Oh, okay.
I love it. There's something just so, binary and so primitive about the UFC. I like it. Yeah, it's to me, it's like I get a little bit emotional about watching fighters and hearing their story and them coming from nothing and building this entire legacy and bringing their people up with them. It's very beautiful. Yeah. It's very beautiful.
I remember I used to be a boxer fan.
Oh, okay.
Julio Cesar Chavez.
Oh, yeah.
And then Oscar de la Hoya came through, and I'm like, oh. Yeah. And now Canelo is pretty big. I used to love Canelo, but then kind of got over him.
Right.
I know a lot of people still like him, and they're like that. I'm like,
right.
I'm over Canelo.
Yeah.
So right now, I'm kind of like at a blank.
Okay.
So I'm trying to
watch the UFC. It's amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I tried doing soccer the other day, like Mexican soccer, because I used to love Mexican soccer.
Right.
Especially when they finally had our local, because I'm from Tijuana.
Okay.
So we didn't have a team.
Right.
So they finally made one.
Right.
And the first year they made it, they won.
Nice.
So it was so awesome.
That's awesome.
But they haven't won since. So, so I kind of we drew from that.
Right.
So I'm like, oh.
Yeah, that's how it always goes. It's being a sports fan, it can emotionally drain you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm wait, protecting my peace.
There you go. I didn't know you're from Tijuana. That's cool. I'm later this month me and my lady, we're going to Oaxaca.
Oaxaca?
Yeah, we're going for the Day of the Dead.
Yeah, Dia de los Muertos.
Yes, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna love it.
I heard Oaxaca and Puebla are the best.
Oh yeah,
the best and the best food.
Oh
for
yes.
that time.
Yes. Yeah, we scheduled. We're big foodies.
and we scheduled a Michelin star restaurant. We scheduled 2 of them, so we're gonna go ahead and see what that's about. And I didn't know this, but in Oaxaca, there's a lot of food like around crickets, or so I'm gonna try that. Yeah.
It's very exotic. I remember like tours in Rosarito.
Right.
They have like snake bites. They'll have grasshopper stuff.
I'm all about it.
And it's like gross, but it's like you were raised there, so you're kind of like used to it.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. And people say that about us too. Like when I have friends come out of state and they come visit, they're like, "What the heck? You guys have breakfast burritos with chili?"
Yeah.
It's like, what are you guys doing? I'm like, you guys don't have that? What are you crazy?
Well, what do you mean you guys don't have that? Yeah. So based on that foodie, what's the best local spot near you? Because you're in Montgomery, right?
Yeah, I'm Montgomery. In that area, shoot, there's so much great food. If you have to go New Mexican, I would say probably Sadie's. Sadie's is probably the best for me. It's the best New Mexican food. I just love their portions. They're gigantic. I feel full every time I leave. Yeah, I'm ready for a nap afterwards.
Nice food, comma.
Yeah, exactly.
It's great, but it's bad because then you have to go back to work and you're like there, like trying to focus.
Right.
What am I doing here?
Yeah, that's probably one of my favorite spots. Yeah, there's also this Mexican restaurant down the street that I like a lot, Delicios Cafe. I don't know if you've been there.
No.
You gotta try it. It's really good. Yeah, they bring out this complimentary soup, and it's I don't know what the soup's name is, but it's so good. Yeah, it's really
probably have
good.
to check it out this weekend.
Yeah. How about you?
I'm not cooking.
There you go. Yeah.
My favorite, I really like. Well, it's not really ties to New Mexico, but I really like the Chinese food right there on China Wall, right there on. Candelaria.
You're right. By that Circle K? Is that it?
By the Diddy's.
Oh, okay.
What's the San Mateo in Candelaria?
Right.
Right next to the Peter Piper Pizza.
Right.
So it's a small little Chinese restaurant.
Ooh.
And the portions are huge.
Right.
Like 3 people can eat it at that portion.
That's what I'm talking about.
And it's like only $11.
That's nice.
So I always want Chinese food because it's so good.
Are you good with chopsticks?
No. I'm a fork and a spoon person.
I've recently got good at chopsticks, and I'm a big gamer on my computer. So I also consume probably more than anyone in the state hot Cheetos. Oh. So
okay.
I'm using chopsticks to get my hot Cheetos, and it's like I've gotten so good at it. It used to be hard, but once you start doing it, it gets a little easier.
Your brain kind of develop it.
Oh yeah.
I tried it with the tape. You know how you put tape on it so you can get it?
Oh yeah.
Didn't work.
No.
And then one of our friends, she was so funny. We went out to eat to Basil.
Yeah.
And we're like, I don't know how to do chopsticks. Me neither. And she stabbed it.
There you go. That works.
Okay, that's one way to do it.
That's what you do. Yeah.
But yeah, it's not New Mexican. I mean, you have to go New Mexican beef jerky, New Mexico beef jerky.
Oh, right down the street.
Yeah.
Oh, they have the best chicharron burritos. Oh my god.
If I have to pick Mexican, cochilocos.
Oh, okay.
If you like carnitas.
Ooh.
So they have 2 locations. There's one in Louisiana and Central.
Okay.
By the Taline supermarket store.
Okay.
So they're right there.
Nice.
And they have the one on Menor.
Okay.
Menor and before San Mateo.
Gotta check that out.
So if you like carnitas, chicharrones. Chicharrones, they have a mixture of the carnitas with everything else.
You're getting me hungry.
I'm
so hungry
good.
right
now. It's so good. Like, I just love it. I have so many tacos from there. I'm like,
that sounds so good.
It is.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, so the last question.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure the question that everybody wonders.
Yeah, sure.
Red or green?
Oh. I'm Christmas.
Christmas?
Yeah. Christmas for sure. Christmas for sure. On every burrito I get asked to get it Christmas. Unless it's a chicharron burrito, I like red chili. But yeah, I'm a heat freak. So
oh wow.
Yeah. I have this little I carry it on my other backpack, but it's a little like how people have like a phone
Valentina
holster. I have a hot sauce holster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I carry that around. No, I go like crazy hot 357 Mad Dogs where they're over like 3 million Scoville units. humans probably shouldn't consume them. Maybe they're in some bear mace or something, but it's very hot.
So how does your stomach like that hotness? Because I know Mike can't take it.
Right. I think it does a pretty good job. Like it doesn't hurt. I've gotten used to it. It also helps as like a natural like cleansing of your sinuses.
Yeah.
So when I'm done eating it, I feel a little lightheaded and whatnot, but I feel good afterwards.
What, you feel lightheaded from eating chili?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Well, I was talking to Melissa on the last podcast, and I'm like, I hate when you like, like trying to clean it up. I'm like, I just want to enjoy my chili, but you're over here like cleaning and.
Oh yeah, I feel like a little kid again with my boogers down my nose, just.
And then lightheaded. I have never heard people being lightheaded.
Yeah, you gotta try. So maybe remember when we're around each other next time, I'll give you a little tap of it.
Oh, like I remember. I thought it was bad. I remember back in my early 20s carrying tapatio.
Okay.
And the little tapatio package.
Right.
Tapatio is hotter than Valentina.
Right.
So I used to carry my little package around.
Yep.
Now I carry tahini.
There you go.
They have a big old bottle at our department.
That's so cool. I have my girlfriend. She carries these little hot sauces, and they have the craziest names. They have, and it's so fun. One of the names is spontaneous combustion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so she carries that around in her purse, and I'm so grateful she does it. And you can get them down at Old's Town, these little hot sauces, and they're pretty hot. They're so good. Yeah.
I don't treasure myself anymore.
No?
No. I'm like nice, stay mellow.
Nice.
But Christmas. Cool.
Yeah, Christmas for sure. How about you? You got a...
I like green chili.
Okay.
But when I go to Blake's, I like the sauce.
Right.
I know a lot of people like the hash green chili.
Right.
I think it's just because, like I said, I'm being Mexican. We have a lot of salsas.
Oh yes.
So the taco salsa, so it's just salsas.
Right.
You know.
Right.
So I think that's why the green chili sauce is more. I guess it's a mindset thing.
Right. I feel that.
So.
Right.
But yeah. I do have like a twisted burrito, the shredded beef deluxe.
Ooh.
I like that one with Christmas.
There you go.
So.
Yeah, Twister's burrito, Christmas style, smothered.
Yeah, that's the way.
That's so good. Yeah, it's I was in Colorado this past week, and they also have green chili, but I think it's an abomination.
I think it's salsa.
It's not New Mexican green chili, and they kind of get a little too flaunty about it.
Yeah.
They're like, you got to try our green chili. It's like, no, what are you doing?
This
is not it. This is not it, man.
Well, I remember when I came to New Mexico, they were like, oh, our green chili. I'm like, you mean salsa?
Right.
And they're like, no, green chili.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, okay, this is what green chili is.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, I can't imagine living in any other state and not having green chili. Yeah.
Well, we have it, but we use it for chile rellenos.
Oh, okay. Right.
So we make it for chile rellenos, which is different.
Right.
So it's either that kind of chili or it's a pasilla, the darker green, like the pepper one.
Oh, okay. Right.
But a lot of people use the hatch.
Nice.
For chile rellenos. So that's why I'm like, okay. I didn't know what they were talking about, but green chili.
There we go. Cool.
Well, thank you, Joey, for being here. It was a pleasure.
Yep. Thank you for having me. I had fun. It's always fun. For the members, if you guys ever want to apply for loan or you have any questions, general questions, you're more than welcome to call the consumer lending line. You can ask for me specifically if you'd like.
Joey.
That'd be cool. Yeah, ask for Joey.
Well, thank you guys for joining us. Until next time. Bye.